What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a simple cartoon illustration of Metal Sonic. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page along the bottom with the top edge of the nose. So we're going to draw a half circle going up and then down. From the ends we're going to come down towards a point. So angle this down and in. Now along the top we're going to draw the edge of the muzzle. So we move over towards the left side, bend this up and then down. From here, just want to curve this around the eye and then back up towards the cheeks. Now there's two large bolts along the side of the cheeks, so let's start back and left. Curve this in and then out. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down towards the bottom of the chin and back up. Let's add a thick edge along the inside of the bolt. From the top, draw a short line going out. Do the same thing across the bottom. Now from the top, we're going to draw an oval, coming around the outside towards that bottom line, then back up towards the top to create a thin trim along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, and then from the top, we're going to come down, and then back up. Now inside that oval, we draw a short angled line coming down and in. Let's leave a small gap in the center, and come down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to bend the eye, going out, and then all the way up towards the top. And do the same thing on the right side, going up towards the same height. And then from the top, we're just going to curl this out towards the side. Now let's draw on the outside of the eye. From the top of the curve, we're going to bend this out, come down, and then in. Let's add a thick edge along the inside, starting on the left. Follow that same curve coming down. Now we want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to tuck this up underneath the brow. We're going to draw a half oval coming down and then up. Let's line it up on the right side. Let's trace that along the inside, drawing a smaller half oval. Let's fill the inside in black. Now switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. We want to go around that pupil. Now let's go back to the top corner of the eye. We're going to step up and draw the edge of the ear. We're going to bend this out and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out and then up towards the same height. Now from the top, we're going to draw this curve coming in and then down. Now I want to add some thickness to the front edge of the ears. So from the bottom, angle this up and in, come down and out. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Let's go to that inside point, draw a short line going up. Now from the tip of the ear, it's going to bend this in and then down toward the top of that line. Now when you go to this point here, I'm just going to curve the inside of the head, going up, and just tucking that in underneath. Now we're going to draw that center spike. Along the top and the middle, let's start with a point. I want to bend this out and then down on top of the left ear. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, going out and then down. Let's follow this curve towards the bottom of the ear, bend this out and then down to create a fold. Now move back up, curve the spikes, going out and then up. Now I'm going to close off the bottom of that spike coming in towards that bolt. So I'm going to come down, round this out, and then bend this in towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Metal Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.